Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be kind of like a prize share. I wanted to show you guys who are not part of my Patreon what the winner is going to be winning over at that Christmas series that I had over there. It was 12 days of Christmas cards. So for 12 days, I showcased new Christmas cards for the winner, and there's only one winner because I only have about 7 patrons. And I wanted to do one grand prize because I wanted it to feel like they were opening a Christmas gift. And yeah, so before I send this off, not that I've picked the winner yet because I haven't picked the winner of any of my giveaways. I do want to wait till after the new year. I don't want to be stressed out with all the writing and picking and doing all that stuff. There's going to be videos for that, and I'm kind of taking a little break. But I still wanted to show this because I am organizing all the prizes. And yeah, you guys, I just think this box is really cool. I did reuse a box that was sent to me during my birthday challenge. And every day for 12 days, I created a set of cards. And this is what some of them look like. I didn't share any of them on my YouTube. My videos for my Patreon are exclusive to them only. But I still wanted to show them to you. And there's like such a huge variety, you guys. You get from vintage to cutesy, traditional. I shared some of them on my Instagram. These are some cute little doodlebug ones. This is like a little set of 3. Then we have, of course, let me get the other one, the Snow and Cocoa. So they'll be getting those. We have some Very Merry ones. These I actually made last year. And then I'm also sharing with them some that I made for Paige Evans. So these are going in the prize pack as well. Also some that I made from the Tanya Lay Designs Christmas kit from last year. Those are going in there too, just because I felt like it gave more variety. And then some that I made with the new crepe paper snowflake. And then the ones that I also gave in Jingle Lils, I gave to my patrons as well. And that's what they look like. The little string ones. These are so pretty, you guys. And then I also, for I think one day that I didn't have cards, I gave a prize pack, which consisted of these cute little gingerbread foamies, the polka dot paper pad, some cute little stitched like goodie bags that I had created, some gift tags, more gift tags, some stickers, and some other little goodies in here. So that was just a little prize pack that I made for one day that I did not create cards with them. Because you guys, it was getting super overwhelming towards the end, and I was trying my best. But yeah, you guys, that is the prize pack for the 12 days of Christmas cards over on my Patreon. If you guys want to go over and join, definitely check out the link down below. It's exclusive videos just for over there. I will be having a new schedule as of January of when I'm going to be filming for that chat for over there on Patreon. And there's going to be giveaways over there. It's just exclusive stuff. So if you're interested, there's like 3 tiers. Definitely go check it out. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.